NetSpend Debit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you've been searching for a prepaid debit card that can function like a bank account without the hassle of a credit check, you've probably come across NetSpend. But in 2025, the financial landscape has changed significantly. With digital wallets, neobanks, and high-yield accounts everywhere, the question remains, is NetSpend still worth it, or is it time to leave it behind? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the NetSpend debit card, its features, pros and cons, fees, and whether it makes sense for your financial lifestyle. Let's start with the basics. NetSpend is a prepaid debit card, meaning you load money onto the card before you spend it. Unlike traditional checking accounts, you're not borrowing money or overdrafting. You can only spend what you load. This makes it a popular choice for people who want strict control over their spending, or for those who don't have access to traditional banking due to credit or other restrictions. One of the first things you'll notice about NetSpend is accessibility. You can open an account online in minutes without a credit check, which is a huge benefit for people looking for financial independence or rebuilding credit. You can load money via direct deposit, bank transfer, mobile check deposit, or even at retail locations. Most people get this wrong, but here's why loading funds from multiple sources is a big deal. It offers flexibility, ensures you're never left without access to your money, and allows the card to function almost like a standard checking account. NetSpend also comes with a prepaid Visa or MasterCard debit card, which means it's accepted anywhere these cards are accepted, including online purchases, in-store payments, and bill payments. The card integrates with mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it convenient in a world where contactless payments are increasingly popular. You won't believe how many users underestimate the convenience factor of a prepaid card that can seamlessly work with modern digital payment systems. Another major feature in 2025 is NetSpend's early direct deposit. If your employer or benefits provider supports it, you can access your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks. This is particularly valuable for people living paycheck to paycheck, allowing them to pay bills or cover unexpected expenses without waiting for standard banking processing times. NetSpend also offers a high-yield savings account option, which is somewhat unique in the prepaid debit card space. As of 2025, interest rates have been modest, but for users who consistently maintain a balance, it's a way to earn something on your funds that would otherwise sit idle. Additionally, NetSpend provides tools for budgeting and spending insights. You can categorize transactions, set alerts, and track spending in real time via their app, which is surprisingly user-friendly for a prepaid card platform. However, there are fees to consider. While NetSpend offers a no monthly fee plan if you meet certain requirements, typical fees in 2025 include a monthly fee ranging from $0 to $9.95 depending on your plan, ATM withdrawal fees around $2.50 for out-of-network ATMs, and transaction fees at certain retail reload locations. Many users are unaware that these fees can add up quickly if not carefully managed. The surprising truth about prepaid cards is that while they seem low commitment, the hidden fees can sometimes make them more expensive than traditional checking accounts. NetSpend also offers optional features like overdraft protection and a savings account with an FDIC-insured partner bank. Overdraft protection is limited, but it can prevent declined transactions when unexpected expenses occur. Additionally, the app allows you to send money to other NetSpend users, similar to peer-to-peer payment platforms like Venmo or Cash App. This makes it useful for splitting bills, paying rent to roommates, or sending money to family members without needing a traditional bank account. Security is another important factor. NetSpend provides standard protections like FDIC insurance for funds held in the account, encryption, fraud monitoring, and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. In 2025, these features are critical because digital payments have become a primary method of managing money, and users want assurance that their funds are safe from theft or fraud. Now let's discuss some limitations. Unlike a traditional checking account, NetSpend does not build credit history. So if your goal is to improve credit, this card won't directly help. Additionally, while the app provides budgeting tools, there are fewer features than full-service neobanks or digital-first checking accounts. Interest rates on the savings portion, while present, are lower than high-yield online banks, which could be a drawback for long-term savings growth. To illustrate the practical use, let's consider an example. Imagine a user who receives a $2,000 monthly paycheck. They load it onto NetSpend via direct deposit, use the card to pay bills and groceries, and set aside $500 in the NetSpend high-yield savings account. They receive their paycheck 2 days early, Manage spending through the app's tracking features and avoid overdraft fees thanks to careful budgeting. While they pay small transaction fees on reloads or ATM withdrawals, they gain accessibility, control, and convenience, which may outweigh the costs for their lifestyle. When comparing net spend to alternatives like Chime, Cash App Card, or traditional bank debit cards, the decision hinges on your priorities. Chime offers fee-free accounts with early direct deposit and savings automation, but requires a linked bank account. Cash App provides P2P payments and Bitcoin integration, but lacks high-yield savings options. NetSpend differentiates itself with accessibility, prepaid structure, and multiple ways to load funds without requiring a bank. In conclusion, NetSpend in 2025 remains a solid option for individuals who value accessibility, want a prepaid card without a credit check, and need flexible funding options. It is especially useful for managing daily expenses, accessing pay early, and budgeting in a controlled way. However, if your goal is to maximize savings growth, earn high interest, or build credit, there may be better alternatives. The key is understanding your financial goals, spending habits, and tolerance for fees. Overall, NetSpend is worth considering if you need a prepaid solution with multiple funding options, real-time tracking, and early direct deposit. It offers convenience, security, and functionality in a user-friendly package, making it a practical tool for managing everyday finances. But if you are seeking long-term savings growth, low fees, or credit building, exploring other digital banking options may better suit your needs. In 2025, the surprising truth is that prepaid debit cards like NetSpend are no longer just for basic spending. They're a flexible tool, but only if you understand how to use them effectively.